think Velocity's approach is different because we're thinking about how the customers are going to actually use the vehicles and relate back to what they actually have in their life, their kids, who's driving it, their wife, how they're going to enjoy the vehicle, how they can store things inside of it and actually enjoy it. And they don't even have to think about those things, it's just there ready for them. We want to keep it classic and retro, but integrate the new technology, their own new chassis, their own coilovers. They've got modern technology, fuel injection, they've got better stereos, they've got billet. It all looks classic, but it has the integrity of an OEM new vehicle. So what you can expect from the Velocity Signature Series Convertible Mustang, it's badass. It's the same thing you can expect from our fastback, but you can put the top down, have your hair in the wind, you can turn up the stereo. It's got the roadster shop spec chassis, it's got the Gen 3 Coyote, and it's got the 10-speed. It's got a really cool interior in it that keeps the car classic. You put the top down, you can really enjoy driving this thing on sunny days, beautiful weather. You're really gonna enjoy this car.